Namaste people, I am Anmol Sarkar. If you have seen my introduction video, you guys must have an idea about who I am and what I am trying to do and what this channel is all about. And if you have not seen that video, please go and watch that video. For Facebook, I'll share the link in the comment section, and for YouTube in the description below. So please watch that video if you have not watched it, and enjoy this video as well. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight down to today's topic. So in last video we have covered that how an example of how this John Samuel and the M. Devinagayam tried to push this strategy of decoupling Tamils or the South Indian culture from the pan-India basis. And in last video we saw how the Shiva Nataraja was tried to declare Shiva, Lord Shiva and Nataraja were declared as South Indians specifically. So in today's video we will see how a devotional literature of the Tamils, which is the Skanda Muruga, was tried to Christianize, and the Hindu nature from it was erased, and how Institute of Asian Studies played a major role in doing all these things. Okay, so in last video, if you have seen, you must have noted that I said a name of Zlevel. Okay, Kamil Zlevel. Okay, his name is Kamil Zlevel. Okay, so what this guy did was, he was an Indian Christian Dravidianist who was trying to propagate this theory. So this is another example. He tried to Christianize this Skanda Muruga, which is a Tamil devotional literature, and erase its Hindu nature. Okay, so he wrote this in his book. Okay, so let's see what the passage tells. It says that, however, until the Bhakti trend set in before the so-called Dark Ages in the Tamil classic age, in the age of Murugan, the Tamil man seems to have had a clear, optimistic, rather simple very secular view of life. In the heroic age of meat eating and wine drinking pre-feudal society with relatively simple but meaningful religious conceptions. So this Lebel, he was trying to push this Caldwell's theory, and this pushing of theory by Lebel was taken up by John Samuel, who founded the Institute of Asian Studies. Now this institute, John Samuel, he was held by another guy named as Patrick Harrigan, a Western scholar working with variety of NGOs in South India, who is currently working with variety of NGOs in South India and Sri Lanka. Harrigan has established himself as a major researcher of Hindu mysticism and folk traditions in South India and Sri Lanka, through which he has produced an impressive database and 40 websites on Tamil spirituality and prominent Hindu. Now see how this is taking a very political turn, where NGOs are getting involved, then politicians are getting involved, and see how this is taking a grassroots implementation. Okay, so Samuel endorsed Devinagayam, asserting that the major Hindu spiritual traditions arose under the influence of Saint Thomas Christianity. Okay, as if you have seen one of my previous videos, you guys know what myth of Saint Thomas was. Now this guy John Samuel tried to appropriate that Skanda Muruga originated from Saint Thomas and not from Aryans. So this was a complete lie. So this guy John Samuels in his book writes another passage which quotes that it is crystal clear that the Somaskantha figures and the concept of Ammayappan Magan, okay, the name is the concept of Ammayappai Magan are nothing but the revelation of Christian Trinitarian teaching. It is to be noted here that there was no father to Lord Murugan in the beginning. The honor of taking up detailed research on the influence of Trinitarian teaching of Shaivism belonged entirely to Dr. Devinagayam and Dr. D. Devakala. So see how he is lying blatantly and ignoring the facts which were present in the ancient Tamil texts. This was one of the examples, guys, and In next video we will see how this guy tried to fabricate a fifth Veda which compiled of all the Tamil traditions and decoupled it from all the 4 Vedas which currently exist in Hinduism. So this was it for today guys. In next video we shall see all this, and till then enjoy this video and have a nice day.